Grüezi, buenos dias and hello. Welcome to the big numbers for July, with highlights from SIX Swiss Exchange and BME Exchange from both the trading and listing space. Let's start with the trading activity. On SIX Swiss Exchange, turnover reached close to 90 billion Swiss francs, 6.5% more than in June. With an increase of 7.6%, the equity segment saw an even bigger increase. Overall, close to 700 billion were traded on SIX Swiss Exchange since the start of the year, 19.4% more than last year. The biggest year-to-date increase is recorded in the ETF segment, where turnover is almost 86% higher than last year. We also saw more trades in July. Over 4.4 million represent an 18.4% increase over June and 32.5 million since the start of the year mark, a 15.5% increase. The SMI ended the month almost where it started, at 11,836 points. The year-to-date performance now stands at 2%. A significant milestone was reached in the structured product segment. On SIX Swiss Exchange, the threshold of 100,000 structured product listings was surpassed for the third time in its history, and the first time so early. Well done, guys. After crossing this mark for the first time in 2023 and again in 2024, a total of 101,135 product listings at the end of July corresponds to a year-to-date increase of 55.6%. In July, we also welcomed our 19th issuer of exchange-traded products with crypto assets as underlying. Valur Digital Securities listed 2 ETPs on the blockchain's Internet Computer and Hedera. This brought the total number of listed crypto products on SIX Swiss Exchange to 451. If we now look at the trading activity on BME Exchange, we see an equally positive development. Compared to last month, equity turnover was up 9.4% and fixed income turnover 25.7%. resulting in an overall increase of 13.7% to reach almost 52 billion euro. Since the start of the year, turnover is up over 15%. In July, the Spanish exchange also registered more transactions in all segments except for ETFs. Overall, close to 17% more trades were recorded over the previous month. The Spanish blue chip index IBEX35 continues to show a strong performance. In July, it gained 2.9% and reached 14,397 points. So, since the start of the year, it's up by an impressive 24.2%. In terms of listing, BME Exchange saw one of Europe's biggest IPOs so far this year. On July 9th, Sirsa made its debut with a market valuation of 2.52 billion euros. We are also happy to see Isertis join the main market, stepping up from BME Growth segment. This milestone signifies the achievement of BME's objective to help companies advance in their financing process through the stock markets. These were the big numbers of SIX Swiss Exchange and BME Exchange for July 2025. Many thanks for watching, and we hope you join us again next month.